Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer USDT from Exness to Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing this process can save you time and hassle, especially if you're juggling multiple platforms for trading or investments. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exness and Binance. If you don't, head over to their websites and complete the registration. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged into your Exness account, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see your USDT balance. Double-check that you have enough funds for the transfer, and remember to account for any network fees. Next, go to the withdrawal page on Exness. Select USDT as the currency, and choose the appropriate network, like Tron, ERC20, or BEP20. Based on what Binance supports. Compatibility is key here to avoid any transaction failures. Now, copy your Binance wallet address. To get this, log into Binance, head to your wallet, find USDT, and generate or copy the deposit address. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Exness, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds. After initiating the transfer, you'll get a confirmation email or notification. This process usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Binance and check your USDT balance to ensure it reflects the transferred amount. If you run into any issues, both platforms have support teams ready to help. And that's it, you've successfully moved your USDT from Exness to Binance. Always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication on both accounts. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.